It's Hooch on top again. Gizmo on the left. And I think, yeah, that is Jedi as well. Jedi's there on the right now. It's Gertie. Gertie likes that. They're all having a good time here. Ripley's carrying away this big ball. This big ball is also new. She's like, let me get the biggest toy and carry it off. Gizmo playing with this one. A bunch of them are just trying to climb up my pants. We're just ignoring them until they sit, so. Gizmo. Hey guys, I'm not petting you. There you go. There you go. It's Flash sitting. Sarah's sitting. They're getting the sitting good now. Gizmo again. Or is that Hooch? That was Hooch. Sarah. And then beside Sarah, Jedi there. And Ripley's got the blue ball again. Flash checking that one out now. He's like, what is that thing saying? Clara and Sarah playing with this one. You going to sit for me? Hey, let go of her leg! Oh boy. Sarah playing with this one. And Clara. Well, most of them are loving these noisy toys. That's good. You have to sit. Good job. Good job.